In the landscape of business software, Zoho stands out as a unique player. Unlike many companies that specialize in one or two core applications, Zoho offers an extensive suite of over 50 integrated business applications, covering everything from CRM and project management to accounting, marketing, and HR. This vast ecosystem can be incredibly appealing for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution. However, with so many options, a common question arises: how much is Zoho monthly? As a project management expert who frequently evaluates business tools, I can tell you that answering this question isn't as simple as providing a single number. Zoho's pricing strategy is multifaceted because its product offering is so diverse. The monthly cost of Zoho depends entirely on which Zoho applications you need, how many users will be on each application, and whether you opt for monthly or annual billing. Let's break down the pricing structure to give you a clear understanding. The two main ways to pay for Zoho: individual apps versus Zoho One. Zoho generally offers two primary purchasing models. Individual applications. You can subscribe to each Zoho application separately. This is ideal if your business only needs one or a few specific tools, such as just Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects, or Zohobooks. Zoho One, the all-in-one suite. This is Zoho's flagship offering, providing access to virtually all, over 45, of their applications under a single, bundled subscription. Zoho One is designed for businesses that want a truly integrated ecosystem and foresee needing multiple Zoho products. Pricing for individual Zoho applications. Monthly rates. The monthly cost for individual Zoho applications typically varies based on the chosen plan, e.g., standard, professional, enterprise, and the number of users. It's important to note that monthly billing is generally more expensive per user than annual billing. Companies often offer discounts for committing to a yearly subscription. Let's look at some examples of popular Zoho applications and their approximate monthly costs per user when billed monthly. Zoho CRM, Customer Relationship Management. This is one of Zoho's most popular products. Free edition, up to 3 users with basic features. Standard, around $20 per user/month. Professional, around $35 per user/month. Enterprise, around $50 per user/month. Ultimate, around $65 per user/month. Note: annual billing can reduce these prices significantly, sometimes by 25 to 30%. Zoho Projects Project Management. Free plan, 4 up to 3 users and 2 projects. Basic features. Premium, around $5 per user/month. Enterprise, around $10 per user/month. Again, annual billing will typically make these cheaper per user. Zohobooks Accounting Software. Free plan, limited features for 1 user and 1 accountant. Standard, around $15 per organization/month, not per user. Usually allows 3 users. Professional, around $40 per organization/month. Premium, around $60 per organization/month. Zohobooks pricing is often per organization for a set number of users, rather than strictly per user. Zoho Mail Business Email. Mail Lite, around $1 per user/month, 5 GB storage. Mail Premium, around $4 per user/month, 50 GB storage. Zoho Desk Customer Support. Standard, around $10 per agent/month. Professional, around $17 per agent/month. This illustrates that the monthly cost for individual applications is per user or per organization/agent, depending on the app, and varies widely based on the features you need.